Hey, what's up, Colliders? It's Daniel here. I want to share with you something exciting we got coming out here at the Collision. As some of you guys know, we started the Collision about a year ago now as kind of a multimedia platform to look at the collisions between Christ and culture. And we started with our website, thecollision.org, where we've been having weekly articles and pop culture reviews written by me and a bunch of other really talented authors. And then we started this YouTube channel after that, which we've been doing for some time now. And hopefully we keep promising that the podcast is coming. It is coming. But another new thing we got that we just actually released is we just came out with our first book, first physical book, The Collision, Volume 1, 20 Thought-Provoking Articles on Christ and Culture. And this book it's a year's worth of articles that were published on our website. Some of the articles that were kind of touched on some of the biggest events that happened in our culture last year. And this sort of, as Christians, how should we respond to these issues, to these events that everyone's talking about? Kind of, navigating through some of that. Touch on a wide range of things, pop culture, several pop culture. How do we kind of collide with entertainment and kind of the celebrity culture, Hollywood? There's articles about the church, as the culture around us is changing. What does that mean for us in the church? How should we live as Christians that are faithfully committed to the church? And there's just worldview questions. What are some of the questions that atheists and skeptics are asking today? And as Christians, how can we respond to these in a way that that helps point them ultimately towards Christ? So we're excited for this book. This is Volume 1. The plan is that this will be an anthology that we release every year. We'll have Volume 2 next year, Volume 3 the year after that. The topics in this book are quite diverse. I think at the core of it is just sort of trying to establish a model, an example of what does it mean to really collide head on with our world for Christ in a world that seems to be increasingly kind of turning towards and against the church and his and Christ followers. So if you look in the description of this video, we'll have the links to buy this book. We've been doing this for about a year now, and I just want to thank you guys that have been following us through this time, supporting us through either the website or through this YouTube channel. And for those of you that are going to check out this book, it really means a lot to us that we've been able to build some great relationships and have some really amazing conversations with you guys. So again, we really appreciate you guys. Again, thank you for all you've done, and remember, continue to collide with your world for Christ. Hey guys, thanks for sticking around to the end of this video. Again, we're so thankful for how much you guys have supported us. And one of the ways we want to just show our appreciation for that is to give away some free books. So we're going to give away 3 copies of this new book. Again, all you got to do is, if you're subscribed to this channel, and if you're not subscribed, and that's the first 3 comments we get below on this video, we'll get in contact with you and send you a free copy of this book. This is let you guys know how much we appreciate your support. Thanks, guys.